Hey everybody! Welcome to the final day at Zoomerang. I hope you are all having a fun day. So today's animal feature is going to be the dingo. The dingo looks kind of like a dog, but it's different. So we will find out more about that, but who wants jokes first? All right, our first joke. What do you call Australian slang? Dingo lingo. Second joke. What happened when the wild Australian dog tried to throw a boomerang? Any guesses? It didn't go far. Anyways, let's learn some fun facts about the dingo. So the dingo, they're neither dogs nor wolves. They, in fact, in 2014, they were classified as their own species. How cool is that? So if we actually compared the dingo to an animal that we have here, it would be very similar to the coyote. So the coyote is very shy of people. We have lots of them here, and they are in the wild, the same as the dingo. So it's really, really cool that we have something so similar. So a few people did try to, or a few people do and have tried to have the dingoes as pets. They're a very, very difficult pet, and it is actually illegal to have them as pets in some areas of Australia. And it's not very suggested because they're super, super hard to train. So they also do not bark like a dog. They actually howl more like a wolf. So let's hear. So that sounds very much like sometimes in my backyard at night when the coyotes are howling. So that's it for the dingo, guys. I hope you learned a little bit more about the dingo today. I hope you enjoyed all the fun this week learning all about the amazing Australian animals that God has blessed us with. We have learned about the kangaroo, the beautiful coral, along with our sea turtle, as well as the platypus, the mysterious platypus, and of course the koala, that sleepy, sleepy koala, and of course today the dingo. Thank you guys so much for having so much fun with the animal of the day at Zoomerang this year. I hope you all have a fabulous summer, and if you happen to see me around town, make sure to say hi. Bye, everyone.